So first let's remember what the abstract class was. So an abstract class is a class that is partially implemented. Partially implemented means that you may leave some of the method implementations to the subclasses to complete the full implementation. Abstract classes use the keyword abstract in the front of the class or method declaration. In the case of an abstract method, you must leave off the body of the method. So let's see an example. Abstract class A that has an integer x and a method getX that seems to be fully implemented, and also an abstract void method setX that is not implemented. What we can see here is only the method signature, which is the abstract return type name and list of the parameters, which is an integer new x, while we don't have a body of the method. So which means that if any class that will extend A, which in this case B, extends A, and now B must implement setX as to do whatever the setX is supposed to do. So now let's talk about the interfaces. So an interface is a completely abstract class that is used to group related methods with empty bodies. An interface defines a set of methods that will be implemented by a class. Syntactically, interfaces are similar to abstract classes except that no method can include a body. So all methods should be abstract, basically. Any number of classes can implement the interface, and any class can implement any number of interfaces. So there's no limit on that. So we use the keyword implements to indicate your class implements the interface. And the general form is interface, replaces the word class. So interface, a name of the class, followed by a set of methods that are not implemented. Now let's see an example. So we have an animal interface, which will have a method, animal sound, and sleep that are not implemented. And if a class wants to implement animal as interface, for example, dog implements animal. So now dog class must implement first animal sound and sleep. So here we go. So this is how a dog can implement animal. So now if we are to test this in a main method, say we can create a dog object, my dog, and then we can see whether the animal sound or sleep works. Now let's see the full implementation of the animal demo here. So again, animal interface animal, class dog implements animal, and animal demo. So let's go ahead and test this. Okay, so Java demo. See, the dog says woof woof, and then it sleeps as ZZ. So yeah, that's how we do it. Now we can also create another class, say class cat also implements animal, which means that the cat class also needs to implement the animal sound and sleep. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and copy and paste them, and then I could say cat says some meow. Okay, and also not really sure how they make sound when they sleep. Let's make it something like his. Okay, something like this. All right, so now we can actually create a cat class as well. Cat object from the cat class, and then print. Let's just do it, and then see what cat. Let's call this my cat. and then this is a new cat, right? And then my cat sound and my cat sleep is, let's give it another try. Here we go. The cat says meow meow and it sleeps as hiss.